Does your stream do a lot of buffering and stop at certain points? It's probably because you don't have a strong connection and not broadcasting to the correct server. But not to worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test your connection on Twitch and make sure you're broadcasting on the best server. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. If you're a streamer, I'm sure you want to have the best quality for your viewers and your subscribers out there. But nobody really makes it clear on what's going to be the best settings for you and your stream. And luckily for you, Twitch has a really cool tool that they don't talk about that much. So I'm going to show you how you can test what is going to be the best connection speed for you and your broadcast, and how to test what is going to be the most optimized server for your broadcast needs. Let's go over the computer. Now that we're over at the computer, our first step is to log in under your own Twitch account. From here, go to the creator dashboard, and if it doesn't default to live, make sure you go to live on the left ledger there. From here, you're going to go to the modular tab that says Stream Health. When you click that down in the bottom right hand corner, it will show you something called Twitch Inspector, and this is what you want to click on. Now, just a quick side note, if this is your first time using Twitch Inspector, it will ask you to authenticate your account to give it permission. So make sure you click yes, so that way you can get to this screen here. Once you have given permission, you want to click on Run a Test Stream, which is on the right-hand side of the page. This will populate a window here where all you need to concentrate is on the piece of code that it gives you. What you want to do is copy and paste this on the end of your stream key. Now, this will work for a bunch of different programs out there like OBS and Slobs. So simply just copy and paste it to the end and make sure you click apply, so that way it saves the changes that you do. With the changes all saved, you are ready to start a test stream. Simply just start streaming. And from here, you can allow your stream to run for about 10 to 30 minutes. This will give you a good sample size to see if there's any hiccups or any errors that occur. And what you want to pay attention to is the signal strength. This will allow you to know if you have to make changes to lowering your bit rate, or maybe you can raise it up to see if you want to have a little bit better quality. And you can also check to see if the server that you're using is a little too maybe crowded or can't process the information. And you could also see if you want to switch over to a different one that might be, even though it's a little further away, maybe a little less crowded, but generally the one closest to you is best. And from here, you can take all the information that you need to and make the changes that's going to make your stream that much better. Once you've made all the appropriate changes to your server and how much you want to push out on your kilobit rate, just make sure you take off that little piece of coding at the end of your stream key before you start your next stream, because I speak from experience. One time I was streaming and I was streaming to the test server. So make sure you take that off and apply the changes so that way you're good to go for your next stream. Now, Twitch Inspector isn't the only game in town. There's a few other programs out there. If you're confused about things like why am I dropping frames, or why does my stream buffer, or what kilobit rate should I stream at, I know of a few programs that may help you out. And if you're interested in a video like that, you know what to do. Leave me a comment below and I will see what I can do to make a video to help you out. If you want to continue your education and still learn more on how to be an awesome streamer or content creator, go ahead and take a look at InsideCreator.com, when there's a lot of helpful guides and lessons over there. And if you want to help me grow and be better, you can always follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you like what you see here, you're definitely going to like what you see on over at twitch.tv/wildforgames. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care, all. Peace.